Hey there, and welcome back to our onboarding series. In this video, we'll walk through how to fund your Cherry Servers account using cryptocurrency and how crypto payments work across our platform. Cherry Servers supports a range of popular digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, Solana, BNB, and Polygon, with multiple networks such as Bitcoin Mainnet and Lightning, as well as Ethereum and leading Layer 2s available. Crypto payments cover all major services, including VPS, VDS, and bare metal, so you're not limited in how you deploy your infrastructure. Supported coins and networks may change over time. This information is accurate as of the recording of this video. For the latest updates, we recommend checking our payment provider's official documentation. Check the link in the description below. When you open the billing dashboard, you'll see your available team credit, any promotional credit applied to your account, your current hourly usage, and how much you've already spent within the billing cycle. This gives crypto teams clear visibility into spending and makes infrastructure costs predictable and easy to manage. If your balance runs low, topping up with crypto takes only a few clicks. Once you click Top Up, you're presented with Cherry Servers supported crypto payment options all integrated directly into the platform. You can enter a custom amount or select a predefined value and proceed straight to checkout without leaving the workflow. Crypto payments are processed through trusted providers that support both individual builders and larger organizations, ensuring flexibility regardless of team size or structure. One of the primary crypto payment options on Cherry Servers is Coingate, which enables teams to fund their account using major cryptocurrencies. This makes it easy to pay for infrastructure directly from on-chain funds without needing to convert to fiat first. Once you select Coingate during the top-up process, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred digital asset. At this point, you can proceed using your native wallet or switch to a supported provider such as Binance Pay. After selecting your asset, a payment modal appears, displaying the available networks for that cryptocurrency, along with the exact billing details for your transaction. From there, Coingate generates a wallet address and a QR code, allowing you to either copy the address manually or scan it directly with your wallet. Once you complete the transaction on-chain, the system waits for network confirmation. As soon as the payment is confirmed, the equivalent value is credited to your team credit balance, enabling you to immediately deploy or scale your infrastructure. This method is especially well suited for Web3 startups, blockchain developers, and crypto-native teams that already manage their operating capital in digital assets and want a seamless on-chain payment experience. For teams operating at scale, Cherry Servers also supports BVNK, a crypto payment solution designed with businesses and enterprise workflows in mind. BVNK is built for organizations that need more structure around how they pay with crypto. It supports stablecoin-based settlements and provides clearer reporting, making it easier to manage accounting, track payments, and stay compliant, all while continuing to operate fully in digital assets. When you select BVNK and enter your top-up amount, you're taken to a dedicated payment page where you can choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to use. The platform then provides a real-time quote, converting your selected amount into its equivalent value in that asset. From there, you're given a wallet address and QR code along with a time window to complete the transaction at the quoted rate. Once the payment is sent and confirmed, your balance is credited and you're ready to continue running your infrastructure without interruption. For companies managing production workloads or larger crypto budgets, BVNK offers a more controlled, predictable, and enterprise-ready way to handle payments. Regardless of the crypto provider you choose, all payments are credited to the same team credit balance. From there, your infrastructure usage, whether bare metal, cloud resources, or storage, is deducted transparently as you consume it. Cherry Servers supports crypto payments not just for early-stage builders, but for teams at every stage of growth. Whether you're launching your first node, scaling a decentralized application, or running global blockchain infrastructure, the payment model scales with you. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to our support team. Our technical experts are available 24/7 and always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Cherry Servers, bare metal with a cherry on top.